clock struck 9 when I did send the nurse. In half an hour she promised to return. Perchance she cannot meet him. That's not so. Oh, she is lame. Love's heralds should be thoughts, which 10 times faster glide than the sun's beams, driving back shadows over lowering hills. Therefore do nimble-pinioned doves draw love, and therefore hath the wind-swift Cupid wings. Now is the sun upon the highmost hill of this day's journey, and from 9 till 12 is 3 long hours, yet she is not come. Had she affections and warm youthful blood, she would be as swift in motion as a ball. My words would bandy her to my sweet love, and his to me. But old folks, many fain as they were dead, unwieldy, slow, heavy, and pale as lead. Oh God, she comes. Oh, honey nurse, what news?
Woo!
Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Shelby Lewis. I'm a professional actress, teacher, Shakespeare nerd, and audition coach. If you're interested in seeing a breakdown of this speech, line by line, what it means and why Juliet's saying it at all, make sure to check out my video on that I will post over here. And if you're interested in seeing more videos of me explaining and performing Shakespeare, make sure to subscribe to my channel below and click the adorable bell. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Anon!